Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Singh Vlog. Today we are discuss about the Patanjali franchises business concept or business model. So let's start the topic. We are discuss about the Patanjali. Now, Patanjali Ayurvedic Limited, promoted by Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev, is one of the fastest moving consumer goods companies that is called FMCG that have been successful in creating its uh, robust nationwide presence. Through this write-up, we will give an insight about the lucrative business opportunities that a brand offers. Patanjali, which had a turnover of 2000 crore in year 2015, is now involves at doubting its revenue to rupees 5000 crore in 2016. The growing appeal, promotion and awareness of Ayurvedic products, coupled with a factor like affordable price point and Indianness in products, is boosting sale and wrapping up revenue for brand. It is one of the rare franchisee brand which touch the rural as well as urban mass with same jest. The homegrown Ayurvedic franchisee brand is now giving touch competitions to leading FMCG players like Colgate, Palmolive, Nestle, Dabur, HUL, with its wide area of product including toothpaste, shampoo, toothbrush, instant noodles, tea, jam, corn flakes, spice, pulse, chyawanprash, beauty products. This product put Ramdev franchisee brand in direct contacts with these industry majors. Then we are talking about the opportunities in stores with an aim to have pan India expansion. Patanjali will be tapping the franchisee model for growing its network. The brand has got a great response from rural and urban areas as Patanjali franchisee outlet can be seen opening fast. It's currently run about 4200 centers and aim to open 1000 more outlet by March this year. People have given a very good response to their products. Not just a consumer but also an entrepreneur, they prefer our store and product. They are going for Patanjali as their experience and the benefit of brand are getting cured from various illuminates and problems. We hope to open 1000 more centers, March says Pankaj, Department Head India, Swadeshi Vibhag. We are talking about amount required for franchisee to open a franchisee outlet. To open a franchisee outlet of Patanjali, one has to invest between 7 lakh to 15 lakh and the area of 300 to 1000 square feet is required. It means that 7 lakh rupees is required for 3000 square meter and 15 lakh rupees is required for 1000 square feet. A franchisee can set up the stores in rural, semi-rural, urban areas as well as the brand has also recently launched 12 mega stores which are open in metro cities mainly. We plan to open 1000 more mega stores in near future. It entail and invest the around 50 to 70 lakh and about 2000 square feet area is required for opening this store. The mega stores are big, modern, convenient, and cater to need of metro consumer. These centers are going to generate franchisee opportunities for interest franchisee. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Next video will be coming soon. Please subscribe and comment below for motivations. Thank you. Thank you guys.